this light isn't going to be good for my dirty windshield.
Huh.
Wow, that's fast. You do like autocross braking, like you brake real hard.
Yeah.
Which is what you would do in an autocross. But I think here, like you can use just a brush of the brakes to sort of scrub some speed.
I see.
That's the word that Matt used to use when he instructed me. He wouldn't say hit the brakes, he would say brush the brakes.
Okay.
So it's like easy on, easy off.
Well, I always know coasting is bad, so I was trying to, you know, either really be on the throttle or really be on the brakes, but that might be an autocross tactic.
Yeah, I think it is. I think you should come ride with me and see how I do it. I mean, I'm not saying I do it perfectly, but I do.
It's different, you're saying, different approach.
Yeah. Just a little more easy on and easy off with all the pedal inputs. And I think in the track environment that's what you want.
Yeah, I think that explained the rotation, actually.
Yeah, at the top of the hill.
Yep.
That was exciting.
Yeah.
Little pucker factor.
Yep. It was right as the wall came into view, right? Yep. That was just as, those are my speeds every time.
Okay.
Definitely lost speed because of the slide.
So that means you went net faster. You just were...
I just made an error and had more weight.
Yeah.
All right.
Cool. That was fun.
Yep. Glad we didn't die.